Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, so in this video, as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be trying on a headband wig. So I'm pretty excited to do that. So I recently purchased a headband wig. This is my second time purchasing one. I love the idea of headband wig because I'm such a lazy wig wearer and I don't really know how to lay a lace front, so I'm still learning how to do that. But a headband wig is literally a lifesaver, guys. Like, oh my gosh, a lifesaver. If you just want to throw something on real quick and you don't have time to fix your hair and you don't know how to really work with the lace front, but you want something to look really nice, and in 10 minutes, not even 10 minutes, in less than 5 minutes you're out, it's really a good alternative. So I really love headband wigs. Like I said, this is my second time purchasing a headband wig. The first time I did it was like a few months ago when they were like everywhere, and I purchased one. It's a burgundy short bob hair, and I really love that one, and I just wanted to go for another one because I really love that one, but I prefer curly hair. That's just my my comfort zone when it comes to hair. So I decided to purchase one, and we are going to be trying it right now. Okay, I haven't opened it yet. I haven't seen what it looks like. I ordered mine from Amazon. I'll put the link in the description box and you guys can check it out if you like it. So we're gonna open it and check it out and see if we like it, and then I'm gonna talk about the cons and the pros for the hair. Not this particular hair, just headband wigs in general. So let's open the hair. Okay, so this is the hair. This is the package it comes in, looks like, and this is the so it's perfect hair for virgin hair extensions. That's what it says, and we're gonna open it together. Okay, so this is the hair. How it comes, a review and some I don't know, it says a gift. I don't know, I'll read this later, but yeah. And then it comes with headbands. I've seen another one. Let's see how many it is. So it's just 2 headbands. This is the other one. So cute. I've been wanting one of these. Some lashes. Oh. So I'm gonna open the hair. So the hair that I got is water width. I remember that, and it's 22 inches. And it's 180% density. And I really have to apologize, guys, if you're hearing the background noise. I'm down in the basement and it's always cold down here. Anyway, it's winter time, okay, so it's cold. So I just wanted to let you know, but I don't think it's gonna be that noisy. I hope it's not gonna be that noisy. But yeah, this is the hair, what it comes in. Okay, we're gonna remove these things and take it out. It's really nice. It feels so soft, so I like that. I like the density. Oh, this is really my type of hair and my type of curls. Ooh. Okay. It's really nice. I like that. Soft. Okay, I'll show you guys. Alright, so before we wear the wig, I'm gonna take off my scarf and I'll show you guys what I use for my edges. So for my edges, I used 2 things. I used Eco Styler gel, and I used Got to Be Glue gel. Yeah, styling gel. So the 2 things that I used to lay my edges. Well, I don't really lay edges like that, as you guys already know. I don't really have edges, but lay the front of my hair. You guys already know, so I'm just gonna lay my the front of my hair. So we're gonna take this out. I've had it on for like a long time, but you don't have to have it on for that long. Alright, so this is how my hair looks, and I already have the what do you call this, the wig cap on. I put it on, and then I laid my hair, put it on, and then put on the scarf, the silk scarf. Okay, this is what the hair looks like. It has the headband here, right here. This band, you see, that's the headband, and it snaps in the back like that. Okay, so I'm gonna cut this, take this out. You have to use the scissors. Alright. So one of the things that they said in the video, in the package, was that I have to wet the hair and apply some olive oil. That's the best way to take care of it to prevent some tangles. So I'm gonna do that right now. Using some olive oil that I have in here, I'm gonna just apply just a little bit to the hair. I'll put it on. I'm gonna show you guys the inside. So this is the headband, like I said. It has combs inside to help you secure the hair. Okay. And one good thing about headband wigs is that you don't have to like lay your hair itself flat. You know, like I said, this is the best hair for like lazy people like me. So we're gonna put that on. You just have to, you can use the combs to secure your hair, but I'm not really a big fan of that. I think I need to find a way to secure my wigs, because I feel like combs can cause damage to your actual hair. Alright, so that's the hair. It's really pretty. Alright, so I'm gonna use the headbands. I think I should have flattened this part more, but hey, it's not really a problem. I don't know which one I should use. I think I like it. I just wish I mean, I know it's not really a big deal, you know, to lay down the hair underneath the wig, but the only thing I think I should have done is really just, you know, lay it a little bit more, because I don't like these bumps here, but it's not really a problem. So I'm gonna tell you guys the pros and the cons of the hair. The pros first. So the hair, like I said, it's really just convenient. It's like, if you know me, I just like, when it comes to hair, I just like fast and easy, you know, and I'm out of the door. I don't like things that are like too much, take long, and all that kind of stuff. So this is the perfect hair for that. If you don't know what to do with your hair, you're having a bad hair day, perfect. Okay. This particular hair, I like the curls, I like the pattern. It's really soft, definitely my style. I love curly wigs, period. Okay, that's just what I like. Okay, so that's one thing I like about it. You don't have to worry about laying your edges, you know, blending your hair, trying to make sure like your hair blends perfectly with the wig. You don't have to worry, none of those things. So when we wear wigs or any type of protective style, the point is that we're trying to protect our hair, right? The con is that you might not really be protecting your hair with this headband wig, especially the back. That's the one thing that I hate about it. It's that, okay, so I'm gonna show you guys in a separate clip. Okay, so this is what I'm talking about. The Velcro on the headband is not very safe for the hair or for the wig itself. As you can see right here, when I try to put it on, see the hair, you see that? We don't want that. We don't like that. It's messing up the hair, so we don't like that. And when I try to take it off, the Velcro still put out my hair. I wish there was a different way to secure the band. Maybe use a button, I don't know, but a different way would be way safer. And that's the only thing. And I don't like the combs that come with it, because I think that also can be damaging to your hair. So for me, my hair in the back is really a problem. Hair, it never grows. It's very thin, you know. I don't really like to do too much with it when it comes to even protecting styling. But when it comes to this headband wig, I feel like in the back that can be a problem. Oh, and also it's not very, even though you can style it in different ways, you can't really style it in different ways. You know, it counts as a headband wig, and the only styles that you're restricted are the ones that fit headband wigs. Okay. All right. So when it comes to styling, I had big problems with styling this hair. First and foremost, like I've told you guys already, I do not like using combs for my wigs because I don't think it's safe for my hair. So obviously it's gonna make the hair not be so safe. So when I try to style it, it kept sliding. It would like go all the way back, and it is not cute. Okay, not cute at all. So I did not like that about that. And then I tried to do it this way. This is the only one that I kind of liked, but you know, I know for sure if you secure it with the combs, it might stay still, but I didn't want to do that. So yeah, so it's kind of like those are things that you kind of have to consider before you buy a headband wig. So like I said, it would look cute if it was more secure, but I was not willing to take that risk and mess up my hair. Alright guys, so this is it for this video. Please don't forget to comment below, like this video, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And I shall see you on my next video. Bye guys.